There is a painful reality we all face at some point, realizing that not everyone who walks with us truly cares about us. Some people wear masks of friendship, kindness, and concern, but their actions betray their true nature. They are present when it benefits them, but when hardship comes, they vanish. They speak words of encouragement, but secretly harbor selfish intentions. The Bible teaches us to be discerning because not everyone who calls us friend has our best interests at heart. Even Jesus was betrayed by someone close to him. If he in his perfect love experienced abandonment, how much more will we? Yet this is not a message of fear, but of wisdom. God calls us to walk in truth and to surround ourselves with people who genuinely love as he loves. So how do we recognize those who don't truly care? Their behaviors reveal them. Their consistency, their sacrifice, their honesty or lack thereof show us their hearts. Today we will uncover the signs, not to judge, but to grow in wisdom. More importantly, we will reflect on our own hearts to ensure that we are not guilty of the same. Let us open our hearts to God's truth. Love and care are not just spoken. They are demonstrated through actions. Many people say they care, but when the time comes to prove it, they are nowhere to be found. Words can be deceptive, but actions reveal the truth. A person who genuinely cares will stand by you, not just in moments of joy, but in seasons of struggle. They will sacrifice their time, energy, and even comfort for your well-being. They will not just promise to pray for you, but will actually do it. They will not just say they support you, but will take steps to show it. The Bible teaches that love is patient, kind, and does not seek its own interests. If someone's love for you disappears when you are in need, then it was never real to begin with. True love mirrors the love of Christ, constant, unwavering, and selfless. A person who truly cares will make time for you, not just when it is convenient. They will listen, encourage, and uplift even when there is nothing for them to gain. On the other hand, those who only show up when they need something from you are revealing their true priorities. Some people will claim to care about you, but their priorities tell a different story. When someone truly values you, they will make time for you, invest in your well-being, and consider your needs, not just their own. But those who don't genuinely care will only prioritize themselves. They will put their desires, their convenience, and their interests above your well-being, no matter how much they claim to love or respect you. You will notice this in their unwillingness to be there when you need them. When things are easy, they may be present, but when life gets difficult, they are nowhere to be found. Their loyalty is conditional based on what they can gain rather than a true commitment to stand by you. They will take from you but rarely give in return. True love considers the needs of others. The love that comes from God is sacrificial, putting others before self. But when someone repeatedly places themselves above you in every situation, it is clear they are not truly invested in your life. Love is not selfish. And when a person's actions consistently prioritize their own comfort at your expense, their care for you is not real. When someone truly cares about you, they will be present in your life, especially in times of hardship. But those who don't genuinely care will be absent when you need them the most. It's easy to find people who will celebrate with you when life is good, but the real test of their love is whether they remain when things fall apart. There are people who claim to be friends, but when trials come, when you are struggling, broken, or in need of support, they disappear. They may offer excuses, avoid your calls, or simply act as if your problems don't exist. Instead of standing with you, they distance themselves, leaving you to face your burdens alone. This is not the nature of true love. The love of Christ teaches us to bear one another's burdens, to weep with those who weep, and to be a source of strength for those in pain. A person who truly cares will not run when things get difficult. They will pray for you, encourage you, and help in whatever way they can. But those who only stay when it is convenient reveal that their concern was never real to begin with. A person who truly cares about you will want to see you grow, both in life and in your relationship with God. They will encourage you, correct you in love, and stand beside you as you pursue righteousness. But those who don't truly care will either be indifferent to your spiritual well-being, or even worse, become a stumbling block in your walk with Christ. Some people will claim to support you, but their actions lead you further from God rather than closer to Him. They will never encourage you to pray, to seek God's wisdom, or to walk in obedience to His word. Instead, they will push you toward sin, compromise, and spiritual complacency. They are not concerned with your salvation or the condition of your soul. They only care about what benefits them. True love seeks what is best for someone, and there is nothing more important than a person's relationship with God. If someone truly values you, they will want to see you grow in faith, not drift away. But if they are unconcerned about your spiritual life, never pointing you toward truth, it is a clear sign that their care is shallow and self-serving. A person who truly cares about you values honesty and trust in the relationship. They will speak the truth even when it's difficult, and they will honor their word. But those who don't genuinely care will have no problem lying, deceiving, or breaking promises. They will say what you want to hear, but their actions will not align with their words. You will notice this when they repeatedly fail to keep their commitments. They may promise to be there but constantly let you down. They may say they have your back but betray your trust when it benefits them. Lies and manipulation are clear indicators that someone does not have your best interests at heart. Instead of being transparent, they hide things, twist the truth, or make excuses for their actions. The Bible tells us that love rejoices in the truth. A person who truly cares will be honest, even when it is uncomfortable, because they value your trust more than temporary convenience. But when someone continuously deceives, misleads, or plays with your emotions, it is a sign that their care for you is not real. Trust is the foundation of any meaningful relationship, and without it, there is no true love.